Welcome. Hello. We created our company because we believed that the iPhone could revolutionize gaming. It is such an incredible device for playing games on, with multi-touch and accelerometer for controls, rich graphics and sound, access to your media. It's a wonderful device. But more importantly, it's always on, it's always with you, and it's always connected to the network. And it's the potential of that network connectivity that is so exciting to us as game makers. It can enable new types of social play, new types of gameplay experiences, and new ways for us as game makers to commercialize our work. Today, we're going to show you two games that we're working on at NG Moco that couldn't be further apart in terms of their content, but both take advantage of that network connectivity and the new features of Apple's 3.0 SDK. The first is Touch Pets, our social pet simulator, and the second is a worldwide sneak peek exclusive look at Livefire, our multiplayer first-person shooter that can be played over Wi-Fi and 3G. To help me demo those products, I'd like to introduce Chris Plummer, who's petting puppies in the morning and fragging noobs at night. So Chris, take it away.
Okay, thanks, Neil. So as you just heard, I just received a push notification, one of the new features of SDK 3.0. This is an invitation to a play date with someone else's dog. So I'm going to accept that, launch the app. So Touch Pets Dogs is the first virtual pet game with its own embedded social network. There's tons of things you could do in the game, from teaching your dog tricks and going on adventures and having play dates with other people's dogs on your device, which is what we're going to do in just a moment. So this is my play date. My dog Scruff is the Jack Russell here on the right. That's Scruff. And his date is with Mittens, this hot-looking dachshund right here. Now, by lifting up my finger, I can drag the dogs around. You know, we're really excited about this because the AI is so sophisticated in the game. I can teach my dog all kinds of skills. They develop emotions and relationships. Now, Scruff is looking for love, and I really want this play date to go well for him. So why don't we go to the store and buy him something really cool to wear? So I'll just launch the Touch Pets store. Now, as you play the game, you'll earn puppy points, and with that, I can buy literally hundreds of different items, special items to take on missions, gifts that I can give to other dogs on play dates, toys, of course, food, care items, and apparel. Now, if I don't like anything that I see here, I can look at the bottom right corner of the screen. It tells me there's some more item packs that I can purchase. I'm going to just launch that. I see there's 3 different item packs. I'm going to buy the shirt pack. This launches the in-app commerce API. I'm going to accept this from my iTunes account. I now have a shirt pack. And as I return to the game, check and see how the little pups are doing. Checking it out over here. I'm going to launch Scruff's inventory. He's got a lot of different items. As I played previously, I earned this cool little baseball cap, a little collar, and how about this shirt from the shirt pack? Okay, so now I think Scruff is looking pretty cool. I'll give him a little pet with the, come here, Scruff. Come here, buddy. There you go. I think he's looking pretty cute now. With the stroke of my finger, I can give him a little pet. Oh, look at those arches. He's looking awfully cute. I think he's super happy. If he has a successful play date, the results will be broadcast on the Touch Pets social network for all of his friends to see. So that's a little example of Touch Pets Dogs. Now, let me jump immediately into something totally different, which is Livefire. We are so excited. We're so excited at NG Moco to bring really the king of all gaming genres to the iPhone with the features of SDK 3.0 that really allow us to take our vision and push the genre forward in places it's never been before. So I'm going to launch into a global game server with other players. I think we'll run into Tim, who's our lead engineer. Right now, I just pressed anywhere on the left side of the screen to create a touch control. With our Touch Anywhere controls, I can move, I can look, just like any first-person shooter. I tap the center of the screen, and I can zoom. We also have just shake the jump. Oh, wait a minute, there's Tim. All right, that didn't take long. So if you've ever played a first-person shooter for the first time, that may have happened to you. Now, our answer to that in Livefire is a call for help. So thanks to SDK 3.0, I'm just going to pull up my NG Moco friends list. Now, Neil, who's not only made a lot of first-person shooters, he's pretty good at playing them. I'm going to send him a push notification. I don't care if he's out to lunch right now or he's on stage giving a presentation. Nothing's more important than helping me out right now. So in a moment, Neil should probably join the global server. Hopefully you'll accept my invitation, Neil. And while we're waiting for him, I can also bring up one of the other features, which is in-app commerce, and I'm going to just level up my firepower. there's a lot of items here that I could purchase right now. How about a rocket launcher? Yes. Okay. So now, armed with rocket launcher, and there's Neil. Hey, Neil, why don't we try and take the high ground? I've got a wingman with me now. Again, features that really were not possible before SDK 3.0. Now we've got wingman and teammate. We're going to cruise around, see if we can pin down Tim.
Going down.
You see him? Oh, wait, he just jumped down here. Come on, down, down, down.
I'm going.
Moving it back, moving it back. All right. So that's a world-exclusive first look at Live Fire. We're so excited to bring this exclusively to the App Store later this year. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
You know, NGMoko continues to amaze us, both with the quantity of applications they're creating and the quality. And I have no idea how they have the same developers writing both those applications. Great. Next is Smule. Smule is the creator of the wildly popular Ocarina music application. Users of Ocarina have listened to each other in over 40 million performances around the world. And I'd like to invite up Dr. Go Wang today to talk to you about a brand new musical instrument they're creating in iPhone 3.0. Dr. Wang.
Thank you, Scott. Joining me on stage is David Zhu. I'm Ge. I'm an assistant professor at Stanford University in the Center for Computer Research in Music and Acoustics. By the way, that shortens to CCRMA, and it's pronounced Karma. I direct the Stanford Laptop Orchestra, that shortens to SLORC, as well as the upcoming Stanford Mobile Phone Orchestra, that shortens to MoPho, but it's spelled with a PH, featuring all iPhone, iPod Touches, and wearable speakers. Leveraging technology with music to change the way we think and do has always been at the core of my mission as a computer music researcher. Driven by that mission and by the immense potential of the iPhone platform, I co-founded Smule in 2008. It's fair to say that without the iPhone and the SDK, there would literally be no Smule today. In November 2008, our team created Ocarina, which transformed the iPhone into a magical flute-like musical instrument, leveraging the physical interactions of breath, multi-touch, and tilt. Ocarina's social features are allowing its more than 700,000 users to listen to each other play around the world. Our users have also created more than 1,200 unique musical scores, earning millions of hits on the forums of people trying to learn the ocarina or just trying to learn music for the first time on their iPhone. All of this showing that it is possible to create new types of global communities on this platform virtually overnight. It is our belief that everyone is inherently creative and expressive, and it is our mission at Smule to unlock and encourage that creativity in everyone, and to find ways to bring people together in a new type of expressive, mobile, and social medium. For these reasons, we're extremely excited about iPhone 3.0 SDK, for it enables us to further our vision. Today, we're going to give you a sneak peek of the upcoming Smule application and how we've used the SDK to enable some exciting features. Leaf Trombone World Stage invites everyone to learn a new whimsical, wacky musical instrument and to use that to audition and perform for the world stage in perhaps the world's first massively online social music gaming experience. To give you an idea of the instrument itself, a leaf trombone slide on the right side moves up and down, controlling pitch. Buttons on the top left shifts the range of the octaves, giving the instrument 3 full octaves. On the bottom left, a music box accompanies